Welcome gang to my channel, Skypilot here. Emax Race, you've seen it, you know about it. Have you flown it? I'm going to fly it. If you're thinking of getting it, yeah, get it. This thing rocks. Thanks for stopping by. I'll see you after the video. Let's go. This thing is a whole load of fun. Let's just go on our inaugural range check at the moment. And I know something's low. Transmitter battery. Straight away, a minimal breakup at this point. I'm getting an RF signal low, however. Considering the antennas we got running here, that's fairly decent. Yeah, it's a nice clear picture as well, guys. This is pretty cool. Great fun to fly this thing is, guys. Now, you might have seen there's a sale on too, folks, so check out this unit. This is one of the items that are up for grabs at a really good price too. If you look at getting into the sport. RF signal low, okay. RF's going to give way before my VTX, which is unusual. Yeah, if you're looking at getting into the sport, I recommend this thing. Hands down, this thing is way cool. That was almost full throttle then. You can see this thing does rip along really nicely. Trouble with going up through the trees here. I need to find somewhere safe to come down. Just always a bit sketchy. Oh, this thing's great, guys. I love flying this. Oh, yeah, that was always going to happen. Tinyhawk 2 race. Yeah, I went for a little tiny walk then because I hit a tree. Sorry. Yeah, anyway, it's all good. Lots of fun. Oh, heck yeah. If it didn't crash so much, it'd probably be more fun. Still, if you're not crashing, you're not trying, guys. That's what I reckon. We're getting low on power now. Let's head on home. Yeah, lots of fun, folks. Lots of fun. I don't want to go for another walk. Luckily, my beeper saved me. If you lose your drone when you're low on power, your beeper won't work. Land now. Landing right now. Oh, it's just running out of power by the mound. Yeah, this thing is crazy fast. How did I get here? Yeah, I ended up in the grass again. Yeah, grass is really tall here. make sure you got your beeper going, guys. I probably wouldn't be having another flight right now if my beeper wasn't going. I can't express that enough. Can you use this indoors? Absolutely. Just be careful, as it does have open blades which can hurt if struck on the leg or arm or neck. Oh! Please come down. Yeah, that was lucky. Whoops. Oh, there you are, little fella. Oops. I think I might just slow up the skyscraping now. That's twice I've hit the branches. Yeah, user pilot error, guys. Absolutely. I think I'm just going to try and punch out a lap here without actually crashing into anything and finish off with some line of sight. I'm sure even the best drone pilots in the world had an odd crash here and there. Okay, just bring it home slowly. Apparently there's a branch there, there's a tree root there, and I'm just there. Couple of little spills there, guys, but that's cool. It just shows you guys how robust this little thing is and how much fun it is too. It even gets you exercise, going for walks trying to find the stinking thing. Yeah, at least I'm laughing. Great stuff. Hey, I've learned a couple of things today. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, smash on that thumbs up. If you haven't, drop me a comment and tell me what you'd like me to do. No worries. The race too. Sometimes it's a race to find it after you've crashed it. Otherwise, yeah, it's a race in the sky. Thanks for dropping by, gang. Much appreciated. See you again soon. Take it easy. Bye for now.